welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Tylac, welcome, Tylac, welcome. All right, guys. Markets had a nice run in equities today. All right, so the Dow was up, all right, 235 points on the day. So good day on the Dow. Nasdaq was up. S&P was up. Russell was down just a bit. All right, and Bitcoin also up, right? Trading at 71,000 and change. All right. Um, so Bitcoin still holding. All right. So here's our buy signal here on the daily time frame, guys. So nothing has changed. We don't have any new support and resistance lines. All right. So just really good price action in Bitcoin. And again, we've broken through all-time highs. Here's on the weekly time frame here. All right, so holding firm, holding firm. US 30, let's take a look here. So US 30 long, we did get a buy signal on the US 30, guys, but we waiting, all right? We waiting for to break resistance about here, all right? So, I mean, there's a good chance that this trade will break. However, it's failed several times. So we have one, two, three, four buy signals that failed. All right. So this whole area here is a concern. All right. So we got to get past this area. So if we break through, perhaps get another buy signal, right? We might call that green candles are coming in. So buyers are coming back in here on the daily time frame. All right. Remember, we'll use the daily, right, to give us a direction of the overall trend. If we can break through resistance right here, we can call it high or resistance right here. We could see where the US 30 could start moving again. Okay, so a break above this resistance here, right? Just break the resistance. We could start seeing some decent trades out of the US 30. All right, NAS 100, same thing. All right, we have a little better price action here. This could be a great trade, a better trade than the US 30. We have nice swings here. You guys see this nice swings to resistance, nice swings to support, right? Resistance, support. So good chance that this trade could make it back to resistance here and then hopefully break out. So that's a better setup there on the NAS. And we know the NAS has been trading well. And the S&P, all right, S&P buy signal here. Now the S&P is breaking through resistance. All right, it is breaking through resistance. Hey Taj, welcome. Taj, welcome. All right, so right, I guess right resistance right here. Right, that's breaking out. So and good price action here. So just the US 30 lagging, but hopefully it catches up. Okay. Otherwise, good price action, good market action. All right. Current positions in Monster Scalper. Let's go through those, and we'll take a look at equities this evening also. We haven't done that in a few days, so we'll take a look at equities. All right, Aussie, New Zealand. All right, so it's still holding. All right, good trade going there. Aussie, New Zealand. All right, in Forex Dominator. Buy signal here, good price action. All green candles, guys, heading towards its target here, first target. Now, we talked about this right here, a lot of consolidation in here. So that's a concern, all right, but just one candle at a time. All right, that doesn't mean it can't get past this area and break through. Just know that, all right, this consolidation here could work as a barrier. Okay, but good trade going here. Buy signal here, nice price action. That's Aussie, New Zealand, Aussie dollar. All right, Aussie dollar still hanging out here. Buy signal here. All right, white touched right at support here, but held. Right, green candles coming in here. So target all the way up here. All right, and we do have a nice small rotation in the Aussie pairs. Okay, Aussie CAD, same thing. Buy signal here, holding nicely. Okay, we could perhaps move this. And it's heading towards its target there. Okay, let's do this right here. All right, and then I think we have another target? No. So if we can get through here and break through a higher resistance, all right, similar to the Aussie dollar, a lot of consolidation in here. If it gets through, then we could see much higher highs. Okay, Euro dollar, all right. So you guys remember we were shorting the dollar, all right, long the inverse, all right. So Aussie dollar, Euro dollar, New Zealand dollar. All right. So this is Euro dollar, buy signal here. Hey, Anthony, welcome. Buy signal here, holding. All right. Holding. Target is here. It did reach the target right here, pull back. So hopefully this time, all right, breakthrough. New Zealand dollar. All right. Give a sell signal today here. All right. So New Zealand dollar, close that trade, please. Okay. Now we did reach resistance, but guess what? Failed. Okay. All right. So we're hoping to break through, keep going. So buy signal here, broke support. There's your support line. White candles, close the trade, please. So New Zealand dollar, close the trade, please. Okay. And we've got some shorts in that's the big trade right now. Let's see. I I noticed some of them reversed back. So we'll see what's going on with the yen pairs. All right. So we had an update in the market that will influence uh shorts in the yen pairs. Okay. But you know, these yen pairs, this market's been doing whatever it wants. No real rotation, right? So just trade what we have. All right. So Aussie yen sell short signal is here. All right. Let's see here. All right. Sell short signal, white candles here. All right. We'll continue to keep an eye on it. We need sellers to come back in, red candles to come on down, keep moving lower. Okay, so Aussie yen, if anyone is trading it in Monster Scalper, keep an eye on it. Get a green candle or sell signal or buy to cover, close the trade. SGD JPY, all right, same thing here. So a bit of a pullback on these yen pairs. Okay, so sell short signal is here. Now they're down currently. All right, but if the equity markets are up tomorrow or even overnight, right? Futures are up. That could influence these shorts. Okay, so sell short signal here. Hold it. We need sellers to come back in, push that price down. Okay, Euro yen. Sell short signal is here. Same thing. All right. Same thing. Pound yen. Hey, Solomon. Welcome. Welcome, Solomon. Pound yen. All right. So again, a bit of a pullback. White candle here. But this one, we have red candle here. All right. So that's what we need. We need sellers to come on in. Right. Come back in, push that price down. Okay. I know it's frustrating when these trades retrace on us. Okay. Swiss yen, sell short signal here, right? Made a nice move here. All right, come on down here. Now, pay attention to this. Whenever these prices move to the moving average, when you short, happens too on the long side. When they come into that moving average, you might get white candles, right? If you're long, right, you've got green candles, then you'll get white candles, like kind of like here, and then follow through. Same thing to the short side too, to the downside. All right. So a lot of times these trades will move, right? Move back, make a low, right? retrace back to the moving average, and this is an area for where short sellers will come in hard. Okay, so because they're getting a discount, they're getting a cheaper price. Okay, um, once you guys get really good, all right, you can. This is an area where you could add. So you can add on a break of that redistribution break of support, but this is another area where you can add to the trade. Okay, it's a bit tricky because you see your P&L kind of right reducing here. But trades like these are great trades. Okay, so if you're patient and if you're right, you solid, you could wait for a red candle, right? To hopefully it doesn't turn green, turns green. Get a buy to cover signal. Got to close it. But boy, if you can get a red candle here, like the pound yen, like pound yen right here, all right, red candle, get that come down a bit, and that could be an area where you might add scaling to that position there. Okay. Um, Swiss yen, same thing. Sell short signal here. All right. So we just need sellers to come on down. CAD yen, right, CAD yen. Right, we don't have any white candles. So sell short signal here. Right, look at that. Right, made it all the way to support right here. Bit of a pullback. Here it is at the moving average. So we just need that to come on back down. Okay. New Zealand, did we do New Zealand? New Zealand yen. Okay. New Zealand yen, sell short signal here. All right. And this is encouraging to see some of the other yen pairs moving down. So this here, right? So you see, price came all the way to that moving average. Let's remove this for now. Because I know sometimes these trades like this, when they pull back like this, can be difficult for us to manage. All right. So sell short signal here, pull back white candle. See, sellers came back in red candles. All right. This is an area, if you're holding firm, an area if you wanted to add. Okay. Same thing here. Big white candle came all the way to that resist, to that moving average, red moving average. Sellers are coming back in. Good areas to add, but you've got to be solid, know what you're doing. Okay. All right. And getting close to support right here. All right. New Zealand yen. Good trade going here. Good trade. If it breaks through here, next target all the way down here. All right. New Zealand yen. Dollar yen. All right. Dollar yen. Hold on. So it's good to see none of the yen pairs have green candles or buy to cover signals. Okay, so they're still holding. All right, sell short signal here. All right, we were forced out here, got back in, and all right, moved right to that moving average. All right, so again, if you're firm, if you got in somewhere in here, right, holding tight, this pullback here is a discount because we're going short. So this is a cheaper price here if you wanted to add, right? But don't go heavy, all right? And support is down here. If it breaks support here, right, next target all the way down here, all right? So they're holding. HKD, JPY, same thing, all right? All right, here is your markdown phase, all right? I don't know if I went through this one before. After a while, these look all the same. All right. All right. Target here. Okay. All right. We've got some dollar pairs short. So USD CZK, that's holding it short right here. USD CZK, we'll take a look at the dollar index. All right. We just need that to come on down. Dollar Swiss. All right. Dollar Swiss. Right, big white candle here, but look, sellers are coming back in here. All right, red candles, they're coming back in. We're going to move this support to about right here now. Okay, and if it breaks through here, next target, I would say about support right about here. Okay, all right. Dots, dollar, Swiss, USD, HUF. All right, close that trade. Okay. All right. Wow, look at that. So sell short signal was here, right? Um, big candles came in, green candles. We should be totally out of this trade. All right. So if anyone is in this, all right, close that trade, please. USD HUF. All right, USD SGD. All right, that one is holding good short here. All right, nice break of support right here. All right, a pullback right to right resistance here. Now all red candles. All right, so we just need that to keep on coming down. Come on down. All right, target, next target all the way down here. All right, good trade here. Anyone caught this trade? Good job. USD NOK. All right, this one closed also. Okay. So sell short signal was here. If you were fortunate to get in right here, all right, closed right here. Big candle came in. Nothing we can do about this, guys. Now, if you were paying attention, you might have been able to get in, get out right about in here, right on these white candles. But hey, there's nothing we can do. They came in strong here. Um, and I think is that the last one? Yeah, we have a couple more. USD. That's USD DKK right here. Um, SGD right here. All right, DKK, good short going here. All right, sell short signal is here. All right, white candle. All right, red sellers are coming back in. This is what will really mess us up. All right, these white candles here. Okay, so just really try to hold firm on these white candles. I know it's hard. Target all the way down here. All right, USD DKK. USD SEK, that's holding right here. Sell short signal here. That's just consolidating right here. All right, give it some time. All right. Um, just need that to come on, price to come on down. And we've got a target down here. But we'll take a look at the dollar, see how it's doing. USD DKK, we have an up here, all right, but sell short signal here, white candle, red candles. I think we looked at this one. All right. Quick look at the dollar index. Now, the dollar is tricky. It's closed along the buy signal. We don't have any short signal. So last time we looked, we didn't have any real direction. So let's see here. Well, it's same. All right. So here's the dollar index. This will, you guys know this, right? Will influence your dollar pair. So right now we stuck between support and resistance. Okay. All right. We do have red candles. Close the short, the long here. We don't have a sell short signal. So if we look here, all right, we do not have a sell short signal. So right now it's just in limbo. Okay, so no sell short signal. So it's just holding. So this in trades with the dollar, we'll leave it. We'll leave the sell short right here. So just be careful with the dollar pairs. All right, you guys saw a few of them. Buyers came in heavy. Okay. Forex dominator. Let's go through those trades. Forex dominator, long position. I tell you, once in a while, we'll see these Turkish pairs really move. They'll do this once or twice a year. So EURTRY, nice trade going here. All right, nice trade. Buy signal here, still holding firm. USD TRY, holding firm. Euro CAD, all right, holding. Euro Swiss, buy signal here, holding. Need to get past resistance here. Euro CZK, right, needs to break through resistance here, and then pound Swiss, right, pound Swiss, good trade holding here. We have strong resistance right here, all right, but it's holding, nothing to do there. Now we have a couple of yen pairs short in Forex Dominator. All right, Swiss yen short. All right, so Swiss yen short. Sell short signal is here, still holding. We need that price to come on down. Now we've got decent support here. If it breaks through here, guys, right? If it breaks through, right, we could see it move lower. Now, the yen pairs are tricky. So if the market moves higher, yen pairs might start moving higher again. Okay, so be aware of that. And a big day today that did, you know, push those yen pairs higher. TRY JPY, that's your Turkish pair short. Sell short signal was here. I think we got in, we said right in here was our entry, hoping for another move. There's been some great moves. How many? Four? I think four. One great short here. Hoping for another short. All right, so nice short here, another short here, and a third short right here. So hopefully this one continues to move lower. Okay. A little late on the entry, but if it moves, like I said, these Turkish pairs will move. When they move, they move. All right. All right. Equities. Let's go through stock boss. We haven't looked at these trades, I think, since Friday. No, Thursday. Wednesday or Thursday. So we need to go through these. All right. So stock boss first. Okay. So small caps in stock boss. White candle. If we've got a white candle, we'll pay attention. We're still bullish. Okay. So nothing has changed, guys. We have buy signal on the Dow, all green candles, firmly in the markup phase, right? Same with the NASDAQ. Here's the NASDAQ, right? Buy signal here, right? Nice price action. All right. VIX, right? VIX was at what, 15 yesterday? It's at 13. Look at that. So VIX is coming. I tell you, this market is just amazing. All right, so VIX is back down at 13. S&P, right, is all-time high territory, guys. Okay, so all the sectors are up except for telecom is down. I mean, all the sectors are moving. Okay, so where were we? Okay, so we know equities healthy, stock market is healthy. Okay, all right, so let's go through these stocks. And we'll go through these quickly. A lot of green. All right. Today. All right. All right. XPOF. Nice markdown phase. All right. Look at this, guys. Good markdown phase. All right. Hold on. That's Bullmaster. Hold on. All right. Stock boss. Okay. All right. ACDC. All right. Buy signal here, right? Pull back white candles. We need buyers to come back in. All right. The market is bullish, so we don't have to close the trades on white candles unless, right, it's just totally collapsing. Okay. But it's just holding right here. Okay. So that's fine. All right. ALDX, close the trade, please. All right. Buy signal was here. Buy signal was at 376. Red candle came in yesterday, so we should have closed yesterday. Another red candle, so sellers are coming in. All right. So this one sell signal came in at 314. Close the trade, please. All right. So there's no reason to hang on this trade. We've got support right here. It's breaking support, red candle, sell signal. All right. So, I mean, that's flashing to get out. All right. So, and we see where it will sell off, right? Gap down, even gap down also. So they love shorting this, and it's a cheap stock. All right. So close the trade. I wouldn't say they're short, they're just getting out of it. All right. So ALDX, close the trade. All right, ALLO, that's holding. All right, buy signal here. Right, trading near resistance. Needed to break through here. Good trade going there so far. AMPS, right, failed. Right, buy signal was right here, right on the break of resistance. Broke down, red candle, broke support, sell signal, close the trade, please. So AMPS, close that trade. AMPS. All right, so they're closing some trades. ANGI, that's holding. White candles, pay attention to that. AQQQ, that's holding. ATAI, white candle here. We need buyers to come on back in. Buy signal here, decent markdown phase. We need to break through resistance, test the next target there. All right, so nothing to do there. All right, that's holding. Blue. BY and D. All right. Buy signal was here. I would say we've got support right here. Previous resistance becomes support, and it's doing exactly what it did before, guys. Look at this. And this was a high buy signal. Why did we select this? But same thing, doing the same pullback here. Look what it did. Pull back here. So we know this level here is a concern. All right. So let's bring in another resistance. Now it's trading at previous resistance, which is now support right over here, right here. All right. So it's holding white candles here. We need buyers, green candles to come back in. If it breaks through here, we'll get a sell signal. Okay. But that's not a good trade there. Okay. And look what it does. It's used to doing that, right? So it looks like, I mean, I want to say it's a pump and dump. Looks like it's a pump and dump. Okay, they pump it up and dump it, pump it up, dump it, pump it up, dump it. So if anyone is in this trade, just be very careful. Like I said, if it breaks that support here, close the trade. Okay, there are other opportunities out there. All right, that's holding. All right, very good. That's holding well. EBS. All right, good. Look at this. Good markdown phase, guys. Good markdown phase. This stock fell from $35. That's what we want to see, to a buy signal at $2.08, 80 cents. But got a red candle today. That's too bad. Red candle came in today. All right, so buy was at 287, closely at 233. Get out. All right, close the trade. All right, look at that. All right, and I know it came from 35 to 233 right now, and I know it's inexpensive, but they can suddenly go a lot lower. We know that, right? It can go to 33 cents. All right, so close the trade, please. You do have support here. If buyers come back in, we'll know. All right, so if buyers come back in, right, some green candles develop, buyers come back in, right, we might get a second chance, but right now, out. especially with an update. If they're giving us sell signals like this, red candles on an update, that's not good. Okay. All right, that's holding, holding, holding. All right, GLT closed. All right. Buy signal here. What? I don't know what I was doing. This is not a. Oh, okay. I see here. All right. So 13, good markdown phase, but very choppy in here. Okay. A lot of work to get past this area here. But buy signal 253. All right. Sell signal by our system 193. Close the trade, please. GLT. GLT. That's holding GOSS. HBI, that's holding. Uh, HYLN, that's holding. KPT, that's holding. Holding. White candle there, keep an eye on that. LYEL. LYEL. Buy signal here. Broke support. Previous resistance is support. Red candle. Closed the trade. So buy signal was around 235. Closed at 218. Closed the trade. Okay. All right. That's holding. 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 Right. That's holding. NKTX. All right. Good trade here, guys. Buy signal all the way here at 202. All right. Got through its first level, second level, all the way to its third level. Trading at 1310. All right. Hopefully you can hold, get to the second level here. All right. If you guys, if anyone is in this, you might, might want to take some profits. Okay. NKTX. We do have purpose, support, and resistance there. Okay. All right. Note, Anthony, this is your trade here. Note, buy signal here, big white candle today. Okay. Now it's holding support right here. Previous resistance is support. It's holding right here. We need buyers to come back in. Keep an eye on this one. Okay. Get red candle, sell signal, close the trade. Okay. We shouldn't have this on an up day. Okay. Should be holding. All right. That looks good. All right. That look holding. White candle there. White candle holding support. PGY. PGY, red candle here. Close the trade, please. Buy signal was at 1890. Let's see. Why is this in? $19 closed at 1473. That should be in Bull Master. Okay, so PGY. PGY. Okay. PRCH, that's holding. Real is holding. RIGL holding. RNA holding. Good trade here. Buy signal all the way down here. And it's finally breaking, guys, breaking resistance. We know sellers are here, sitting here. So it's running, breaking through that resistance. Keep an eye on it. Okay. So gapped up here. So it's strong. All right. Nice, healthy candles. All right. So need to just keep on moving further. We don't have another, I would say, a high here. If we looked at perhaps the weekly or the daily, we might be making new highs on this. Okay. I'll do it quickly here. Monthly. All right. So all-time highs. That looks like a right, all-time highs where it closed is at 30, trading at 22. Let's take a look at the weekly here. Weekly. All right, so we've got some room to run. So yeah, right about here. So good price action, guys. All right, good price action. Big candles there. Okay. All right. Okay, good trade. Good markdown phase. Look at this. Perfect trade, guys. Good markdown phase. Buy signal. Good markup phase. That's what we want to see there. All right. This is holding. It's to get going there. All right. Holding. Talk. Look at talk. All right. That's a reaccumulation trade, guys. Looks good there. Holding. 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 All right, XFOR, red candle today. Okay, so buy signal was right around 93 cents, close today at 86 cents. Red candle here. All right, red candle, close the trade. All right, follow the process. Those small losses can turn into big losses if we don't get out. Okay. All right, so that's Stock Boss. Let's take a look at Bullmaster, and then we'll be done. All right. So these are large caps, large cap stocks. All right. These are over $10. High volume. All right. We'll go through this quickly. All right. OPRA, OPRA. All right. Now this isn't. We've got. I know we've got a markdown phase here, but what we're really trading is the breakout. So it's a straight breakout. All right, so we've got support here. Good support too. Look at that. For almost a year. And then resistance is right here. All right, so previous resistance failed. This buy signal failed, but here we are again. Next buy signal here, right? Moving up nicely. Perhaps a target, first target. Well, you'll probably get through that. So perhaps in this area here. Okay, OPRA. All right, CLS, that's holding. All right, MU, that's holding. TTCT, that's holding. Right. JXN, reaccumulation trade, guys. Good reaccumulation trade. Right. This one was on a break. So good markup phase. All right. So, all right. This previous buy signal failed on a break of support here. Then this one here looks good so far. And it's trading well. One, two, three good trades. This one here was a loss. So it's trading well. Nice trend going. All right. Right. JXN. AMD. All right. AMD, that's holding. All right. ESTA, that's holding. TOL, Toll Brothers, nice trade going. These are reaccumulation trades. These reaccumulation trades, guys, we'll see those right in Bullmaster. All right. They don't happen as much in Stock Boss, but definitely Bullmaster. Okay. ARLO, TWTDW. All right. Now, this trade here, right, we got in right on that break. So we know it failed here, but got in on that break of resistance. All right. You can always get back in later. All right. Break of resistance right here. Okay. So good trade going here. If we want to draw a trend line, we can do that. All right. So we can see here, right? Price got squeezed and broke out there. Okay. All right. That's holding. Nice trade going there. ARH. I is holding. All right. Buy signal here. First trade did well. All right. Decent markdown phase. All right. Holding. Almost done. Holding. MKSI, good trade going there. Buy signal was right here at 85, trading at 128. And I think we have another target all the way up here at 156. All right. So it's gotten through two resistance areas, third resistance all the way up here. Good trade going there. All right. That's holding. ALGN. All right. Buy signal here, holding. Anyone is trading this, keep an eye on this area here, resistance. If it gets up to that area, there's a good chance they'll bring it down. Okay, so right here it was gap down. All right, so this whole area here is tough. So it's right here, and sometimes what will happen is price will get to this area and they'll slam it down really, really hard, especially if the market is weak. Okay, so all right. Good trade going here. Now, I know it doesn't look like a good trade, so let's bring in our lines. All right, mark down, and it's had two decent trades there. Mark up. So don't do like me, guys. Bring in your bring in your trend lines. Okay. All right, and here's your target. So it's gotten past there, right? This is where sellers came in before, right here, right here. All right, next target is all the way up here. Yeah, bring in your lines. All right, this will help you frame your trades. EYON. All right, that's holding. Tricky trade here. All right. We're looking for a break. All right here. All right, so, all right, we've got sellers here. All right. Support. All right, nice support here. All about here. We can actually count this here. All right, target here. Okay, but we just needed to get out of this area here. Okay, little different setup there. All right, that's holding. Right, holding, 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 holding. Purple support and resistance. Always keep an eye on your purple support and resistance, guys. High in the markup phase. All right, so that means it's getting overbought. That doesn't mean it can't go any higher, but you know, I'm getting overbought. All right, all these are good. Hold in, hold in. Right, if anyone is trading this, this is a concern. All right, so here's your buy signal right here, this area right here, right here, and now it's getting rejected and it gapped down. Okay, so we'll leave this, but if anyone is in this, this is, you want to pay attention because they're rejecting it. You guys can see that, right? They rejected it here. See what happened? Rejected it here. See what happened? Here we are now. It's not breaking out and it gapped down. Gapped down today. All right. So this could come on down. All right. So we'll hold it there for now. SPR. Use these as examples too, guys. You know, you can't trade all of these. That's why we go through these so that you can use these to help you with your other trades. Okay. That's it for stocks. I want to take a quick look at Heat Seeker, and I promise we'll be done. When we ran Heat Seeker last night, we had we had about 62, I believe 62 in Stock Boss, 69 in Bullmaster. Now, that's a good amount for a slow market, but we're in we're in a bullish market, so we should have more. It's never a good sign when Heat Seeker is slowing down, even if even if these indexes are moving, right, that tells us a lot that the big institutions are not buying. All right. And right now, it just looks like they're buying these, you know, expensive stocks, the big names. So we want to make sure. All right. So stock boss is 76. We want to make sure that they're buying the entire market. Okay. And not just the. All right. So we're in the 70. All right. So that's not, we should be way over 100. All right. With the market making. So that's a concern. And we're not seeing these stocks really take off. You guys notice that some of these stocks are not really flying off. All right. They should be. So we'll keep an eye on that. Okay. We should have more. All right. So when these sectors are moving and these stocks, because guys, we track 22,000 stocks and they'll show up in here. All right. They'll show up in here what the institutions are buying. So I mean, 79 is not bad. Okay. That's not bad. But given the condition of the market, that we're bullish, we're making new highs, right? We should have more stocks than this. Um, so, purpose, support, and resistance here on the Dow on the weekly time frame. All right, that's a concern. That means we're getting overbought. On the Nasdaq, purpose support here, and here it is. It's just holding right at resistance there. All right, the NAS, S&P looks good. S&P looks good. No purpose support and resistance, right? Not staying at resistance, right? This looks good. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Our US 30 traders, we've got a buy signal. Wait. I know some of you trade the smaller time frame. That's fine. If you guys are trading on the 60-minute time frame, we need this to get past this area here. This is where, right, it's gotten slammed a couple of, 3 times up here, twice here, all right, 3 times, I think, 3 times up here, and a couple of times there. So very choppy trading. We needed to break through. All right, we tried a short. That short didn't work out. All right, then so we're still caught up. All right, within this consolidation here. All right, guys, thanks for coming. Good trading. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.